is your business?
Look at you. An old woman like you that is supposed to be in her husband's house, taking good care of her children. You're here messing up your life. You are useless. You're mad.
Do you know what amazes me? Because you're now working in daddy's office, you think no sense. You think you have arrived. You think you have something tangible going on in your life. You are even more useless than you thought. You are mad. Popsy, calm down. Sorry. You are a fool. That is what you are. You know now. You know. Don't try me. Do not try me.
Please, don't come near to me.
If I come near, what will you do? No, if I don't stay clear, what will you do? Touch me. Let me beat you blue and black. You just go say I drink white. Touch me now. Think I'm that woman that you asked, you maltreated me. I'm a man in a woman's body. Try me. Flog you. Sujage. Kebetre la jam. Gambia. Mbadela.
To the club. What do I do now? How do I rush him to the hospital? Dad! Dad!
Who is that demon calling you by this time of the night? I've always told you to put your phone on silent.
Naya, what is so important tonight that you can wait until morning before you call me? Dad? We just came back from the hospital 2 days ago. Under attack? He just had his dialysis. Hey. Where's Jamike? Club? Hey, what about the chef? Oh my God, this is not looking good. It's late now. Please, call the security man. Just call him, go downstairs. You guys should just manage and carry Daddy to the car. Please, I'll be right there. All right. Hey.
Hey, where do you think you're going to? At this time of the night?
Are you serious?
I'm not going anywhere.
Ha! Didn't you hear the conversation right now?
And so?
Dad is under attack. Jamike went to the club. The chef went to the village to see her sick mother. It's only Naya and the security man that is there. Please, I just need to go. Dad needs medical attention.
You can't go anywhere at this time of the night. Not after the warning the other day with the security about the kidnappers and the robbers. And you want to go out by this time of the night? I don't want to lose you.
Are you serious?
You're not going anywhere now. How can you leave me? Ha! No, you can't leave, oh. Except you have to sneak life out of me today before you leave this house. Lie. You can't go anywhere. Where are you going?
Dad needs medical attention now.
That is why Nenye and Jamike is in that house. Call them to take him to the hospital. You are not going anywhere.
So this girl has the guts to switch off the phone on me.
What do you expect? That Jamike is going to pick your call at the club? Hey, you must be joking now.
Her father needs medical attention right now.
Well, I don't know what you intend to do, but you can't leave this house.
So what do you suggest I do?
Call the ambulance. That's what you should do.
Doctor, for how long shall we continue like this?
For the little more time he has to stay on Earth.
Is there nothing we can do to end this once and for all?
Absolutely nothing. We can't risk transplants at this age. But we will be managing him with dialysis and other routines in his last stage.
All right. Thank you so much, doctor.
There's no problem. I have to be in my office now.
Father, how are you doing?
I feel better now.
Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Hey, gate man! Hey, Mumu! Run or some madam. I say run, come meet me. You dey mad. Hey, just dey there. You don't want hug me. Don't do wedding. You want hug me? Now wedding picture one thing. You dey mad.
No, good morning, madam.
Shut up, you don't do. Please, where is everybody? The chef, my sister, my father, where are they?
Okay, yeah, I been wan tell you yesterday yesterday na wey be say you dey come back, I see as you dey waka, you move everything, I can't reason say you dey on highness.
Hey, shut up. I said where are my family?
Na chief yesterday chief get attack, so they call ambulance, they carry am go hospital, even Nenye follow them. You understand? So na be wetin happen.
Okay, and your colleague, the chef, where
My colleague, her mama get, you say you get as body they do am, so they can't call her, then come carry her everything, they go hospital. So she dey off like this, so na only me mount.
Okay, go open gate, I won't drive out.
Okay.
Popsy! Popsy, Popsy! Good morning, Popsy! Choknoko! Only for life.
Jamike,
Yeah, I'm now.
where are you coming from?
From the house.
Which house?
Family house, of course. Oh, and then one now.
Huh? Where went you last night and when did you return?
Popsy, you are not updated. I went out to chill with my guys. We just went out to have fun and I came back to the house.
Please shut up your mouth. Tell daddy that you went to the nightclub. Come on, you're so useless and senseless. I mean, you're a fool, an idiot. That's what you are.
Philmond, you are mad. You are stupid. You are an idiot. You are a fool at 40. That is what you are. Chineke na 1 million times. What is your business with my lifestyle? What is your business?
Look at you. An old woman like you that is supposed to be in her husband's house, taking good care of her children. You're here messing up your life. You are useless. You're mad.
Do you know what amazes me? Because you're now working in daddy's office, you think no way sense. You think you have arrived. You think you have something tangible going on in your life. You are even more useless than you thought. You are mad. Popsy, calm down. Sorry. You are a fool. That is what you are. You know now. You know. Don't try me. Do not try me.
Please, don't come near to me.
If I come near, what will you do? No, if I don't stay clear, what will you do? Touch me. Let me beat you blue and black. You just go say I drink it. Touch me now. Think I'm that woman that you asked, you maltreated me. I'm a man in a woman's body. Try me. Go you sujage. Kebetre la jam. Ugambia. Mbadela. Oh, si chill, go to
Father, please, I have to start though.
Because go! Go, Chakudo, just go, just get lost.
Phil, I went through with our discussion.
We'll continue later.
Nkato onye mgbo onwe isi. Megide ya metu maka makachi me etikete ogi ihe ederu gi rest in peace mana ha ma bro jani idiot. What clip of romance like me je what secure your way. Wait, maka kwelo.
You know, I don't really blame her. I blame my father for everything. For giving her the platform to exhibit her demonic lifestyle. I blame my father.
I don't even know how a woman would turn herself to a man. She doesn't think of settling down like every other woman. She doesn't even want to have kids. How?
How? How if not demonic possession? How if not madness? If there's another adjective to qualify this, tell me.
Your father didn't help matters at all. At all.
You know, my mother saw this on time and started crying. If not for debt, I'm very sure she would have tamed this madness long time ago. But look at my father. My father gave her the platform to amplify this demonic lifestyle of hers. But you know what?
What?
I will cut down her wings myself.
You better do. You better do.
Chief, you are welcome, sir. I came back from my off day and I was told you are rushed to the hospital. I'm so happy to see you return, sir. You're welcome, sir. I'm very sorry, sir.
Alright, take him to his room. Naya will update you on his new diet, okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Naya, you have to take care of the house now. As you know, you're the one we have here for now. Please be focused. Concentrate. You heard what the doctor said, right? There is nothing we can do about it. All we need to do is to keep managing him.
I've heard you, brother.
Alright, sir. Let me rush back to the office.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye. Hello? Yes, we just came back from the hospital. And nothing much, just the normal heart attack, but the doctor said he needs more rest this time. He needs more attention. Okay, you want to come? If you come today, I may not have time for you because I need time to rest. And then I need to give instruction to the chef on what to do. Plus, I will have to cook his food also. So, it's better you come tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye.
What date is it today?
Madam, please, you should have some courtesy.
I said, what date is it today? Courtesy, Nenyonye. They go to they deserve courtesy. What date is it today?
I don't know.
Interesting. You want to joke with me, right?
And why would I do that?
Why haven't we received our monthly salary, my sister and I?
Madam, is that the reason you're here?
Is-
Well, there won't be any payment for you and your sister for now. The only payment is going to be for housekeeping only.
Says who?
Your brother, of course.
So you mean Philmont instructed you not to pay us and you obeyed that stupid instruction?
Yes.
And you obeyed that useless... And you obeyed him!
Hey,
You obeyed him!
Excuse me. Hey, off me. Madam, please. He's my boss, so I have every right to obey his orders. Please.
See next time. I'll make sure I choke you to death. You obey Buru Onweki.
Really?
Ne obey useless order up and down. Maybe in no sense. So what?
Thank you.
Jamike, what is the meaning of this madness?
I should be asking you what is the meaning of this nonsense. I'm just coming from my father's office. Office in Nam that you're managing. And Mr. Ben told me that you instructed them not to pay me my salary, me and my sister. And I want to know why. Because that money is not your own. The office is not your own. You're just a manager.
Yes, I instructed him not to.
Who gave you the right? No, who gave you the right to instruct them not to pay me? I want to know what capacity, what right do you have? Is it your money? How dare you take decision on something that does not belong to you? You don't want them to pay me, but you and your useless wife are here enjoying.
Hey, just hold it there. Don't you ever come into my husband's house and insult me. Are you okay?
Nonsense. Why did you instruct them not to pay me?
Because I'm in charge of the family business now, alright? And my decision is final.
You lie! Is it what I say? Guy! Nah. Your decision is final. Your decision is final, Egonam. I'm giving you 24 hours to retrace your step and ask them to credit me. Else!
What? What will you do? I ask. You are a cancer that have eaten deep into the family finances, and I am here to cut you off. I mean, the cancer. There's nothing you or anyone can do about it.
"24 hours. You're gonna be here. 24 hours. Una chicken and juice. Chileke bobo kodia. When your man and son. 24 hours, God. Yeah.
Mind you, if you call this game for me, we go get issue. Now only when I remain. Huh? Who be that?
Sonny, open the gate.
Ha! Okada.
Sorry.
Good afternoon. Longest time. Everywhere good though. It's just hunger.
Hunger.
Hunger daytime, I be the thing.
Sonny, be very careful with what you say.
Now only you they talk this, you know. You know since I don't learn.
Sonny, with the way enjoyment is written all over you.
Haba. No be that kind of side they talk. I mean say money. I need money. Now money I need now.
Sonny, you don't mention hunger like that. Do you know the house of who you are working for?
Haba. No be hunger they talk. You supposed to understand now. Now money now. All man need money now to survive.
Sonny, stop that thing. See, when it comes to money, we all need money. Everybody needs money. So it's not just you. You know what? Is she in?
She there.
What of her elder sister?
Okay, me that one. I don't come on since now. I know her way now.
Ah, that is better. Please help me tell her that I'm waiting for her in the sitting room.
No problem. Okay, Dan, where you dey go? You don't go find me something today now. You know what?
Will I always give you something? And you know I will still give you. You don't need to ask that question.
Aye.
Help me call her.
Ah, well, I trust you. It always dey do am. Huh?
Please, do first.
I believe say you also down.
Oh, ego Yvonne. Ọmarịcha nwa. Ụsọ nwa. Enenebe jọrọ.
Good afternoon.
Omio. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay, just that I'm broke.
Broke. How? The whole Chief Dike's daughter.
Please spare me.
What happened?
My older brother removed my sister and I from the company's payroll, and the thing is really affecting
you must be joking.
me.
Why would he do such a thing? What right does he have to do that? This company you're talking about is your father's company. And he himself enlisted you and your sister. So what right does your brother have?
I don't know. I'm sure it will be sorted out pretty soon.
Ha! You should better do. You should better be sorted out.
Let me get you something to eat. I know you must be hungry.
Oh! You see why I call you a wife material?
Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me get you something.
1,000 yards and more. Oh! Oh, my jam. But why would he do that now? It doesn't make sense now. It doesn't. Your blood for that matter. No, now. Something should be done about that. That is wickedness. Are you not human?
I don't want you to go.
You don't have to. It's been a while I saw you last. It's been long if you stayed me last. When will I see you?
When do you want me to come?
Let's do it tomorrow.
Okay, I'll call you tonight to let you know if I'm coming tomorrow.
So I should be expecting your call then?
Alright. Okay.
I'm going to miss you now.
I miss you too. I don't want you to go.
Come here, don't worry. Tomorrow is already here.
Okay. Alright.
I love you.
I love you more. Alright.
Maybe I'll see you tomorrow, okay? My baby, come here.
Alright.
I don't want to leave you out.
Alright. Bye.
Johnny, Baba. Johnny.
Oh, Baba. You don't be.
Johnny.
Hey, I trust you. Huh? Power for you. Come. What did they happen?
Stop.
I trust what you can
Stop
do.
complaining about
You don't always do.
Popsy, I don't understand. Like, this whole thing does not make a single sense to me. What right does that useless son of yours think he has over my father's wealth? Over your wealth? What right does he have? I'm asking. Oh, because you gave him that opportunity to be the head of the company, he thinks he can do anything he wants, sign money, and dodge the check when he feels like, Papa, man, walk. Wow, I'm telling you the truth, because Ebola ga book Ebola. Any the need now go back to back. It will not work, oh. Pops, it will not work. Oh man, look what
My daughter, calm down and hear me.
Papa, I don't need explanation. What I need is action. I beg, call that useless son of yours and tell him to return everything to status quo. What kind of nonsense is this? Just look at me now. You now want to stop Ebola. For a long time, I don't ball. No money, I don't smoke. Or one of my guys, I takulu. Sorry, if you need water, I go bring water for you, but I just want to make you do the right thing. Talk to him. Talk to him. All these things is too much. If not that I have respect for you, I would have burnt him alive. I would burn him. What do you name?
Can you just calm down first? Huh? Your brother and I was...
Father, the truth is that you don't need to keep wasting your resources. It's not done anywhere. The money you've been giving them, what are they doing with it? Everything they will ever need has been made available in this house. Yes. So why keep paying such huge sum of money?
We all know the reason Nonya is not working. She had to stay back at home to take care of me. As for your sister, Jamike, she has refused to make herself useful. Notwithstanding, they are my children.
No one is disputing the fact that they are your children.
They deserve good life.
You see, that's the more reason you need to discontinue this payment. Make them useful. What have they been doing with this money? Nothing. For doing absolute nothing. They've refused to work and be useful to themselves. Father, please, I beg you. You are only encouraging laziness and unproductivity. Who does that? Where is that done? Father, please, look at Jamike. Look at Jamike's lifestyle. If she does not get this 2 million monthly, tell me where she will have the strength and the financial stability to fuel her demonic lifestyle. She won't. I wish mother was still alive. I am very sure she will not support her daughter turning herself to a man.
No need arguing about this, son. I cannot remove their names from the company's payroll now. It's already late.
I know what to do. Very soon I will be in charge completely. I know exactly how to curb these excesses.
When I might have died, you can run the company the way you like. But I'm still alive. Allow me to run this company the way I deem fit. Okay? I know that a day like this will come. And I am not surprised. It's not a surprise to me. But trust me, I already sorted all these things in my will. I don't want my children to fight over my wealth when I'm gone to rest. That is why I corrected everything in my will. Jamike, let it be.
I will not.
I will soon go. And then you will.
Popsy, just wait first. I want to understand something. So what you are insinuating is that I should wait. I should not enjoy my life. I should not eat money. I should not touch any money till you are dead, and they will come and read your will before I will start living my life. Whilst your son, your useless, stupid, good for nothing son, and his useless, God-forsaken wife are enjoying, living, and chopping life. Is that what you're saying? I should wait till you are dead first. Nah. Popsy, I swear, Makachi, you don't know how to have discussion. They go now. Eh? But why am I to know? Tell him more. Tell him more.
You will soon have equal right with him. Equal rights. Yes. Calm down.
I will not. Popsy, see, I know go calm down. I'm telling you the truth. Because I expected you to keep him but he can I will not come down. See, Popsy can tell him to return everything to status quo. If that did not happen, I will burn him alive, burn the wife, burn the house. Nothing will happen. Come here, I'll just go to jail for 28 years and I'm out again. I'm telling you the truth. Let him bring everything back.
How dare you walk out on me? Jamike, come.
But see, now until you they ask, are you serious? What did they swap now? What did they swap with you? Eh? Can you force it? Popsy! Nanya! Popsy! Nanya! Come, Popsy! Nanya, come! No, see, Popsy don't start again, no. See, we have to go hospital now.
Okay, let me call an ambulance.
No, the ambulance go delay. Go chef, go security man. When they go help us, when they carry a man drive. When my car kill me. Oh, yeah, fast. Popsy. Fast. When they go help me.
Hello, Naya. What? What happened? I am going there right away, okay?
What happened, babe?
I don't know. Naya just called me that my father has stopped breathing.
How? I don't understand. How?
I don't know. I have to go there and find out now. Hi! Please.
Wait!
Naya, what were you saying? What happened to Dad?
I was inside. I heard voices. He was talking with Jamike. Then suddenly, I heard Jamike screaming. I had to run down. Behold, when I came out, I saw Dad fighting for his life. When I went to this place, he stopped breathing.
What do you mean by he stopped breathing? I don't get it.
Even when we got to this place, he was not breathing.
Where is he now?
He's still in the ICU.
Doctor, what is going on?
It wasn't his normal attack rising from his kidney failure. This is a different thing entirely. Your father suffered from cardiac arrest and he was unlucky. He couldn't make it.
What are you trying to say?
Your father is dead. He died before he got to this hospital. We tried all we could. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it.
Die like that.
My baby, how are you? Babe, wait, what is it?
Oh God. My world has finished. I'm doomed.
Calm down, what is it? What happened?
I'm now an orphan, no father, no mother.
How do you mean you are not an orphan?
I lost my father a few hours ago.
What?
Wait up.
She just lost her father. Baby, calm down. Baby, where are you now?
I'm at home.
Okay, that is good. You know what? Just calm down, my love. Calm down. Just be calm. Put yourself together. I am coming right away. Please. I am coming. Just hold yourself together. I am coming right away.
Oh
God, boy.
How it happen now?
Which one be how it happen? Me kill him.
See. Now your time be this, guy. Now your time to cash out. Now time to share
if I come,
property.
I go settle you, I beg.
See, now time to cash out.
Baba,
Share property,
even
share
for that
money,
one,
share
relax.
life.
I know what thing I go do. Make I go inside. I put myself in order.
No
now.
problem. Now me say I will soon come out. Madam, give me my ready. Sweetheart. Come on now. Stop this. You know you didn't lose. You know that. You fought like a man. Yes, we lost Dad, but heaven gained a beautiful soul. Cheer up now, please.
I just deposited my own father in the morgue. I still find it difficult to believe that I won't be able to see him again.
Sweetheart, such is life. Such is life.
Just like that.
I'm sorry you did, but please let it go. Okay? Please. You'll be fine. Trust me. You can't question God, you just have to let it go. Okay? You'll be fine. Come on.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm here now. I'm here now. It's okay, it's okay. Today I'm so good. Look. Chinenye. When the load slips off the head, its next destination is the shoulder. That easy poor or banana. As it stands now, you are the head of this family. Your father has finished his race and joined his ancestors. And he did well for himself. It is now your duty to take up your father's legacy and start where he stopped. The responsibility of taking care of your sisters, your uncles, everything that belongs to your father, both his companies and property, and now solely yours. Therefore, you have to live up to expectation. Because to whom God is giving, no expectations.
Uncle, thank you so much for your constant support and encouragement. I really do appreciate. And I promise you this day that I will never disappoint my late father. And of course, I won't disappoint you.
That's my boy talking.
Wetin I dey observe for this thing. Like say that man pikin, the son, he wan colour everything.
He no fit. You no fit run am or you no fit try am. For where I dey, my woman dey there now. I know wetin I go relax.
You just dey talk like say if he do am, if he do anything.
Papa, you dey whine me? Na me o. See, I go push my woman. I go push her enter the matter. She dey lis ten to me now. Why you talk like this? I don't work for that babe. I don't work for her head. I don't work enter where. But I go push my woman. I go push am. She go. Her elder sister. That one nowhere now. Normally, that one nowhere. That one go carry the matter for head, run everything for. Why? Why I go to stress myself when that one they say?
Except that, so let's just hope it work out.
Nah, see, they talk this matter now. Man, I could come call her, know her. What's up? Hello, baby. Achalo Gongwani. Assam. Mama, where are you? Yeah, I've been trying to reach you now, and I've called you. Yeah.
Who be that? Who? Ogadan, good afternoon. Ogadan, I don't understand what thing that happen. You know they do me well again like they do me before.
Sunday, are you sure you're okay? Sunday, I need to understand. Has there ever been any day I come to this house and I don't tip you when Chief was alive? And here you are. All because of how much tip? How much? Is there any day I come to this house and I don't tip you? Can't you see we are still money, Chief?
Oh, no, I don't do now. Now this small joke why Joe give you, now make you the para the verse like this.
Sonny, no, don't ever give me such jokes. Please. What nonsense?
Nah, oh yeah, you don't do.
Is Nanya in?
She did. Yeah. I don't understand though. I think they change all this thing. More money wey they give me and they tell they manage my life. Now you don't quit. I been at the problem they cause am. I don't understand this kind of thing. Yeah? I mean they cause the fight.
My love, I am happy you are gradually getting better after your father's death.
It has not been easy at all.
I know. As I always tell you, it takes time. Time heals. Okay? At least now when I see you smile again. Just give it a little time. You'll get back to your normal self, okay?
Thank you for always being there for me. You gave me a reason to heal fast.
Which other work do I have?
Thank you.
You're my only work, baby.
Please.
See, let me tell you. Since this happened, every morning I think about you. Yeah, because all I wish is for you to get better and smile again for me. Or just smile for me. You get that point now. Meanwhile, baby, what are your siblings? When are they planning to read your father's will? Why? Why are you giving me that face? I mean nothing, no. I'm just checking up on. I mean nothing serious, you know. Babe, calm down. Why are you? It's nothing, Jerry. Calm down.
Now that the burial rites are completely over, I want us to plan the best way to forge ahead with life. We do not have a father or a mother that will guide us. We are the masters of our own now, and we need to maintain peace and love in this family as one blood. We need to be the envy of others as they watch us share strong bond of love. In order to achieve that, I will want to establish businesses for the both of you so you can be financially independent and not depend on the monthly salary that you do not know how it was made. You guys need to be entrepreneurs. Make your money and spend it the way you like without anyone interfering in your financial lifestyle. Jamike, I want you to go and search for a business of your choice. Send me the proposal and I shall sponsor in full.
Miss Agusigo Nabanudo Ekenedi reading when see guy you dey mad. Popsi never even died. Don't they assume the position of a father unappointed? Because who appointed you? Obviously not me, not her. Oh, you care? You really give a hoot about us this much? For 3 months, we're not getting money, languishing in poverty. Did you even bother to ask me? You don't even care if we eat or not. Your wife were busy enjoying life. You people were busy chopping. And now you have the temerity to come and advise me. Look for something, okay? I know I'm asking you. You have the guts to come and act like you're advising me. For that 3 months, did you care? Did you even ask me, how do you club in Africa? Do you see drink in Achakwanya? Now, all of a sudden, you are pretending, sounding like a good Samaritan. You want to start business. Now, guy, it's me. You want to start business from Ebe. If not that you're my elder brother, I would have said, Tonda Babu, you need very stupid. Makachi.
And I know.
Hey, Biko, you will keep your explanation to yourself. You see all those times that we're languishing in poverty and you and your wife were enjoying. I know why I kept quiet too. It was because Papa was in the mortuary. If not, what did I for do you? Okay, what did I for do you? You for not believe sin and me do you that thing, Makachi?
Do me?
Yes, now do you, guys?
How? Are you stupid? Do you know who you're talking to? Are you mad? Are you sane?
Brother Phil, a few minutes ago, you were a preacher of love. Is this how we are going to practice the love in you?
Shut up your mouth! You were sitting there and she was insulting my personality. What did you do? How dare you talk to me like that?
Sister, please, let's apply caution. Our parents are no more. Is this how we are going to stay?
Stay where? I don't understand. You never even ask me whether I want to stay with you now. Because as I did like this now, so like they go, I don't need collabo. Stay where? No, where we want to stay? I beg. The only thing why I won't hear now be say, when will they read Popsy's will? When you called for this meeting, I thought it was something, serious and important. That's why I honored it too. When will they read will?
Wait, did I hear you say will?
Yes, you heard me.
Papa never told me anything like that.
Yeah, because he never trusted you. I was his trusted ally. And when he Popsy had that one, what he cannot tell me does not exist. So there is a will. So we need to read it because he only can tell. Not all this I saying, tell me I start business for you. So see what you will do. Listen, call our family lawyer. Tell him to come and read our will. Do you understand me? That is all I need to hear. As long as I'm concerned, this meeting is over. This useless, baseless, pointless cock and bull meeting is over. Till your lawyer comes.
Barrister, how are you? Good morning. Yes, we are faring well, thank you so much. Yes, you said you'd be meaning to call me. That is even the reason I called. So tell me, when do you think it will be convenient for you to come to the house and do the reading? Alright, in that case I will get back to you. Let me communicate with my sisters and know when will be convenient for us. I'll get back to you, sir. Thank you so much. So it's true. Father had a will.
Sweetheart, why are you not sleeping? What's going on? The last time I checked, we are confident. What changed? Since you came back from this family meeting, you've been acting up. I don't even know why I'm not part of the meeting. What is going on? Eh?
Baby, it's nothing, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I I'm just confused. Is it possible my father had a will and he never told me about it all his life?
He did?
Yes. The family lawyer just confirmed it and it beats my imagination.
It's okay. Can we sleep? Tomorrow we'll talk about it. Please?
Yeah, sure.
Sleep, okay? Good night.
Philemon.
Uncle. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is everything alright? Because the way you sounded on the phone almost got me scared.
All is not well, Uncle. Ndi Igbo si na agwụfọ onye fụrụ na awọ ya eke.
Sit down.
Uncle, did my father ever mention the will to you? I mean his own will before his demise?
Yes. There was the day he asked his lawyer to call me to be a witness to the will. He told the lawyer that I'm the only person he could call to be a witness. But I wasn't available that period. And they needed that way to be completed so fast.
Uncle, when was this?
Just 2 years ago.
2 years?
Yes.
If not for Jamike that made mention of this will, I didn't know anything to me. It came as a shock. I called the family lawyer and he confirmed it too. Father never told me anything about this. Something is not right. It is just me. I am his only son. And even I have a brother. It is understandable. But is he trying to share my inheritance with my sisters? Is that our culture?
Philemon, your worries are justified. But you will not be too fast about it. Let us see the content of the will first.
It's okay. Uncle, I brought some provisions and foodstuffs for you.
Provision and foodstuffs?
Yes, if I can please call somebody to...
My son!
I have to take my leave now.
Hey! You are the only son that always remember that have an aged uncle in the village. Well, no, sir! No, sir! Come on! No, sir!
Uncle Damien know about the will too?
I'm telling you.
Something is not right.
Exactly. But then, like Uncle Damien said, we have to wait for the content of the will first.
Okay.
Man that calls yourself my brother, please, I want to know, when are we reading Father's will? When are we reading and implementing Popsy's will?
Jamike, why will you come to my compound this early and start shouting like a mad woman?
Why won't I shout? Why haven't we had a date on when we are reading and implementing Papa's will? Because you are enjoying the money alone, Okuya. I'm asking you. For how many months months now. 4 months. Even before Papa died, you cut my sister and I off our salary. You are here enjoying with your good for nothing wife. You never enjoy, you never live with that liver local. You don't care how we survive. It's quite heartless, so I'm not be tagging me, but I'm going to go to the what can it for pro mass? Makachi.
I will not stay here and see you insult me like that. You are in my compound, don't forget.
What can because shut up?
You have no right.
Which compound? Which compound? This is my father's compound, my father's money. As far as I'm concerned, I'm also a bona fide member of this compound. You
actually think so?
I don't think one name, I know so. When are we reading Papa's will? When are we reading Papa's will and implementing it? I need to get my own share. You stopped us from getting money. You don't care how we survive. I don't know about him. When are we reading it? When are we? Hey! Say, guy, don't think that I'm stupid. When are we reading Papa's will in our pop? Do I look like I'm mad? When are we reading the will? Because I'm a woman, you think you can copy everything her father left behind. You don't guy. When are we reading it?
This weekend.
Okay, weekend abroad date. Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Which of the days are we reading the will and implementing it?
Jamike, on your phone.
Hey! Hey! Guy! If lawyer did not call me weekend, I go. If I don't hear from that useless lawyer, you will see what I will do to you. Idiot. I will burn this whole house down. The weekend is just here.
She has no right to barge in on us like that. She doesn't have that right. I don't understand. Why would she do that? Why?
I reprimanded her.
No, you didn't. Because if you did, I would have heard you. I was only hearing her voice.
So, where are you driving at exactly?
Okay, what I'm saying is, you are the first son, one and only son of Chief DK. And you have every right whatsoever to stop that mad idiot coming into this house and shout. What was that for? At the mere sound of your voice, she should escape. That's what I expected. Not her coming here and be like, I don't understand what really happened. Like, what was that?
It's okay.
Please.
The mansion that serves as a family house in the city, even though it belongs to my son, he will only assume full ownership of the property after his sisters are both married and are no longer staying in the house. As long as any of them still remains unmarried and is staying there, his rights of ownership of the property is restricted. The family business in its entirety belongs to my son. He has full ownership of the business. This 3-story building in Awada belongs to my first daughter, Jamike, while the hostel in Ibariam belongs to my second daughter, Chineyama. The tenant house in Oka also belongs to my first daughter, Jamike.
Hey, barrister, whatever you call yourself, stop this nonsense. Stop this nonsense right away. Meaning, Ginin, what do you mean?
What?
Oh. This is a ploy by you. And this one, I don't even know how you got your certificate to become a lawyer in the first place. Oh, this is a ploy to deprive me of my inheritance? God forbid. Over my dead body, will I sit here and allow you to deprive me of my God-given inheritance? Over my dead body! These plans, they are dead on arrival.
Excuse me?
Excuse you what?
Dog man, what are you trying to insinuate here?
You can go and don't come back. In fact, we're not in need of this will again.
He goes nowhere. He will read the will to the end. And everything written on that will must be implemented immediately. Lawyer, continue.
Well, I am out of here. I will not sit here and listen to this scramble story that you call a will. In fact, this is not my father's will. And I declare this one null and void.
You lie! You lie! He will read this will, implement everything written on it to the last letter. And there is nothing a thousands of you can do to stop it. Barrister, start! Read! Barrister, read!
Come back! Come, we must find a way around it.
Not I would have rushed it. Come here.
Viva!
Uncle, I am so sorry. I will not sit there and listen to that cock-and-bull story. Those conspiracy, I will not. When did our women start sharing inheritance in our culture? Why is father so daft as to turn our culture upside down? What if the girls get married? Are they going to move the inheritance to their husbands' houses? It has never been done in history. How am I even sure that my father authorized the sharing? I mean the will.
Fimo, calm down. I know how you feel. And you have every right to feel this way. But it's not yet late. That is why I am here. An elder does not stay in the house for nothing. Your father got it all wrong. But we are here to make it right for him. Our people say when the dead man's head is not placed in the right place, the living can help to adjust it.
Yes, that is what I'm waiting for. Uncle, I can't go back inside, but you can do whatever you want to do. Go ahead, I don't care. But as for that will, it is dead on arrival.
Rubbish! Anything where the will talk, now so we go do am. Nobody feel bend will when me, Jamike still that life. They mad. They no born and well.
And what was that for? Why would that boy embarrass me? At my age in this profession, that little rat will make a mess of my profession. Why?
Barrister, it's okay, please. It's okay. You know, anybody in his shoes will act like that. It was rather a rude shock, not just to him alone, but to me as well. And then he didn't know about the will all along. And now it looks like he's practically been deprived of his right as a first and only son.
I insisted that the witness be called on this will. Your father chose him as a witness. I insisted that the witness be called to sign on this will. Your father chose him as a witness. Did I or did I not invite you over to the city to sign as a witness to the will? You called me. Then what was your response? I said I wouldn't come because of the late invitation. I have already had other engagements. Did you hear him?
It's alright.
Barrister, Please, nobody is doubting the authenticity of the will, sir. Please.
So, what was that for? Why would he act that way?
Barrister, ma, don't get yourself worked up over this rubbish. As long as I am concerned, you have read my father's will. And that will we will follow. Please, can I get the deeds of the properties that are assigned to me? Quick notice. Let me know what I'm doing with my properties. Can I get my own properties, the deed of assignment?
Hey, barrister, don't dispose any property documents yet.
Says who?
I just said it.
As what? No, as what? Why would you say that? Who are you to say that? What capacity do you have to say that? No, tell me. See, you didn't mad. You didn't mad. When my father was busy making money, where were you? You know they were you Moasa. Now you want to have say over my father's will. Barrister, these things, all the properties that are will to me, let me have the deed.
Barrister, there is a reason my late brother requested I became privy to the will. The reason is because he trusted my judgment. He trusted my judgment. He believed in my transparency and true wisdom in dealing with matter of this nature. Please, barrister, don't dispose any property documents yet. Yes, until I tell you to do so. I'm sorry the way my nephew despised your office. Please forgive him. Forgive him.
It's all right. I've heard you. I'll be expecting your call.
I will. I'll give you a call.
So, the property mean more to you than the family bond, right?
Which bond? Which nonsense bond you dey tell me? What did be bond without money? Are you Nanya? Were you not there where he seized our 3-month salary was not giving us shish? Enjoy with Munye. Were you not there? Philmond is not only wicked, he's greedy and selfish.
You and I know that will is wrong. Where we come from, women don't inherit properties from their fathers.
You are very stupid. Where you and who came from? You think I'm flowing in that your frequency? Thank God Papa outgrew all those archaic village stereotype. Women. Are we cursed? I want to understand why a male child will inherit everything that the father left behind. Well, I don't care what you believe. All I know is that, you see Papa's will, it will be implemented to the last.
See, you should be concerned about settling down right now in your husband's house, not dragging property.
I never told you I want to marry. I never told you I want to marry man. I don't tell you say marriage they hungry me. Oh, go and go carry me, they go my husband's house. I'm not flowing there. Now my property I want. Let him give me a room. It's my inheritance that my father willed to me. That is what I'm looking for. Some marriage. Marriage, you know. Can't divorce stage. Must everybody marry?
Yes, Jamike. See, tell yourself the truth. Stop deceiving yourself. No matter how hard you try, you are still a woman. Get yourself a man and stop this nonsense. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Idiot. If not, to tear you think at the farm or just get yourself a man. Get yourself. This is how they deceive women. All their inheritance that their father worked for them, they will chase you away to one Coco house or call you hating cat. Your brother will be in your father's house enjoying your inheritance. But I must get here. You see, that's my right that my father willed to me. I will get it. Almost raise a woman. My father gave birth to me as a woman. Male child.
Is around nonsense. That will not happen. I practically got nothing from my grandfather's will. Properties.
What?
I'm telling you. The only property that was allocated to me according to the will is the family house. And I will only own ownership of that property when my sisters must have gotten married and left the house.
It's a lie.
Now I ask, will Jamike get married tomorrow?
Wait, what happened to the 3-story building? The hostel? The public house? What happens to it?
They stripped me of everything. No single property was allocated to me.
It's a lie. Who authorized that will? Are you sure that was your father? The last time I checked, you are in good terms with your father.
Exactly. Till death, I was there for my father. I do not know what brought about this will in the first place.
I think someone is playing a fast one here.
And that will not happen. Not while I breathe.
Wait. I believe your father did not write that will, right? I think Jamike is up to something and I can never allow you rest if you let Jamike have her way. Never!
And who told you I was planning to allow Jamike to have her way in the first place?
I don't know. Whatever you are thinking, just know that if you are planning to let her have her way, this is not negotiable. It is not. I'll never allow that happen. Not in this house. So whatever they might have written on that fake will, it's cancelled.
You go inside and get my food ready. Go!
I'll go and get your food. But whatever is written on that will, you must get everything. Everything. None is negotiable. Oh. Me, I will not allow that to happen in this house.
My dear, my elder brother, he took offense and then he walked out on all of us.
Why would he do such a thing?
My father willed all the landed property to my sister and I and left just the family business for him.
And so what? He has the family business. Yeah, why would he stop the reading of implementation of the will?
I think he felt cheated and honestly, I feel for him.
You feel for him?
Mm-hmm.
See, that will is fine now. It has to be the will. Everything about... Your dad took his time to write this will. It should be implemented.
But why are you talking like this? If you were in his shoes, won't you feel bad? Will you be happy?
I don't know the relationship between what we are talking about here and shoes. Even with his unhappiness, it shouldn't stop him from accepting what your father has already written. The will should be upheld.
You know I don't like it when you sound like this, right? Like, I hate it when you sound like this. Here we are looking for a way to make my brother happy so that at the end of the day, all of us will be happy and the family bond will continue. And you're talking like this. Is it that the family bond does not mean anything to you? It's just the will that matters to you.
Whatever you people are doing, that will should remain as your father wrote it.
Hi. Damn. See, I talk this thing play. Now they play, they show. See, I tell you before, that their brother, he wants everything to himself. He want carry everything.
Baba, no be the guy be my wahala. Now my woman. Guys, see, my woman, my anger with her be say, don't you wait to come out for her mouth now, na peace. If you call her name, you do hear peace. Peace, let peace reign. How now?
Guy like this, you don't enter one chance. Hi.
Baba, the thing they make me mad. Like, they crazy as you see me so like this. See, this thing now, I don't arrange things. I don't take my time. I don't relax. Patiently, they wait for me this thing stew. Now, why I go chop? This girl just from nowhere. They talk peace. Who peace help now? Who peace help? Tell me.
See, Baba, just calm down. I understand. Take am easy with her. You know that your babe na soft woman she be. Just calm down, follow her. Because know how way she go there. They will share property for that family where she no get her own share.
Baba, if she soft, I hard. But they pepper me now.
Just calm down. No man, you go cash out now show something. Mama, I beg, bring am regular man, calm down like this. You know they good. Just bring am regular, I beg.
Nah, nothing fake. Me like this. Nothing.
I don't dey work. You know how much I don't put for this thing? You save no
I
now.
know now.
I dey carry my last car chook, make I make it say I dey meet up.
Hi.
Now everything don't cast.
No worry.
Nah, I know they like this kind of thing now.
Calm down, just chill. Collect my bed, just chill.
Nah, Baba, no be like say I want to take this thing. Now say you dey beg me, oh.
You know as this our work they be. Sometimes they enter, sometimes.
Nah, so you dey beg me. No be say I dey vex. Nah, Baba, you get that. You know as it take be now. No, me and you dey here. You know what thing we put together before we pay for this house. I know even get. Now you even bring the highest amount. I dey manage this place. Now you.
I understand.
Nah, this thing dey pepper me.
Are you sure that will was not tempered on?
What are you insinuating, Your Highness?
That girl that calls herself a man is capable of conniving with the lawyer to change that will. Now tell me, which reasonable man will deprive his son of his properties, his will? And you say they did not want it before he died.
Your Highness, nothing of such happened. The last call my late brother called me before his demise, he was telling me how God blessed him with a wise son. He called him son of consolation.
So why such wickedness in form of will?
I'm confused. That's why I'm here. And I don't know how to handle this situation.
That will was tempered on. But since we don't have any proof to our claim, let us use diplomacy and wisdom to handle it. The will would not stand.
Your Highness, is it possible?
If it is not possible, why are we here?
Hey, barrister! When are you implementing the will?
That was so rude.
What is rude? What is rude, barrister, that you're sitting on my father's will? Please let me have the deed to the properties assigned to me. Let's implement it right now, Ozubo.
Can you please calm down?
No, I will not calm down until you give me the deeds of the properties that are willed to me. Years ago.
Can you please calm down? Calm down, please, Jamike.
What is holding the will and the implementation?
If I may ask, Jamike, are you in any way planning to sell off your late father's legacy?
Chineke, what is your business? How is that your business? If I wish to sell it or dash it to charity, it is none of your damn business. You're just a lawyer. Iburo. Now lawyer you be, you no be God.
Nobody is disputing the fact that the properties now belong to you. But please, can you exercise a little patience?
Patience for what?
Your uncle said I should give him a little more time.
Because what is my uncle? What is it? A fool at 40 or an idiot? Who is my uncle to determine when the will be implemented? Who is my uncle to determine when you give me the deeds of the properties that are willed to me? Who is he? Is it his money?
If you must know, Jamike, your father made him the only witness to that will. And he specifically instructed that on no account should the will be read or implemented without your uncle's consent. Yes.
You better be true. Because if I find out you're lying, I'm not going to make sure you have rubbish. Wicked uncle. Ogene, as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Eh? You see how this I want to know what is going on. Because you are acting like somebody who is demented. What is going on, uncle? Can you hear me? Because as you are looking at me now, what is going on?
Jamike, are you alright? Is that the good afternoon you will say to me?
Good afternoon, Ubuogu, because there is absolutely nothing good about afternoon, morning, or even midnight or night. I don't give a hoot. Uncle, why have we not read and implemented my father's will? Why have I not gotten my own okay up until now? Because you're supposed to supervise that thing. Everybody will do their own. I ought to have gotten my share, my inheritance that my beloved father Allah. Can you hear the MS guy? Flimsy excuses. What is the problem, sir? When are we reading and implementing the will?
Stop all this nonsense. You are vomiting with your mouth.
I'm talking nonsense. But under your watch, uncle, my brother is enjoying, lavishing my father's money with the wife. With that, his useless, stupid wife of his, the Carbino. They are enjoying my father's money. And me and my sister, we are languishing in poverty. You are there. Okay? And you're telling me you are shouting. If not that you're my uncle now, by now your blood would have been rolling on the floor. But let me respect you, Maki broken.
You could stop all this nonsense. And stop accusing your brother. The last time I checked, Fimo has been sending money for the upkeep of the house.
Uncle, the way you just spoke is obvious that now Abago is go to psychiatrist, I go to flashback. Because if you're normal, if your sense is active, you would have known that at my age, at my level, as Ebola. Once Ebola is always Ebola. You should have known that my problem is not upkeep money. Uncle Nema and Amburaya, do I look like somebody who is hungry? No, what I'm not, all the go and touch it. But my problem, when my mates are there building houses, driving GLEs, doing things, doing container, in a same man, I go and touch it, my problem. Why wrong with you? Okay, do
you want me to curse you?
You would have used that mouth to cause yourself to be rich, other than standing on top of my father's wealth. Uncle, when I was reading and implementing the will, my own is to get my share. Let me get my inheritance that my father willed to me. You people are looking for my trouble. When are we reading the will?
Anyway, for your information, the reading of the will has been suspended.
By who?
Igwe want to see everybody in the palace tomorrow.
Why? What's wrong?
If you want to know, come to the palace.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What is Igwe? He said my father's money. Who is Igwe? Igwe or animal place or things? How dare you walk out on me? Are you mad? Is there something wrong with your score? Your brain don't need the fixing. You dey mad? If not that, you are need to go idiot. I'm asking you, when are we reading will? Can we rock him also? You want to take my possession? Even the Bible says that only the violent takes it by force. If for that my will, if for my inheritance, I will take it, Makachi. I will take it. So get the way forward. I'm talking to you in NMK television. Oh yeah, make give am nanya oh. Oh yeah, make give am nanya because if you people don't give me my inheritance, guy, I will kill you. Rest in peace in Abanandokwa. Boy, your boy meeting. I don't notice noggin Igwe, useless Igwe, nonsense Igwe that could not achieve anything in life. When my father was busy chasing money, he was busy in Ebueli Umasa. The only money he got, so when he go to certificates, and he think he can sit on that useless, smelling throne of his and determine or decide my future. Name inheritance.
Family, family.
See eh? Okay, try me. Try me. Let me not get my inheritance.
Family of war. One day come on. Who will win at the war? If you go, you fail, you're a chocolate. Baba, you went so beratinye oba. No more peace, no more peace, no more love. No more peace, no more peace, no more love.
Baby, my uncle called to tell me that the Igwe summoned us at his palace tomorrow.
That means he has told the Igwe about the matter.
That is what it means.
Really? I hope Igwe will do something about it.
I hope so.
Well, I believe he will. But don't ever let go of inheritance. Because any day you do that, I will know I married a weakling as a man.
It will be unheard of that since our illustrious son died, Chief Dike, leaving his children to fight and destroy everything he has labored for, also his life. It will sound sour to the ears that after our son, Chief Dike, died, his children turned his house to a war zone, fighting and killing each other. People will ask, are there no men from his hometown? I cannot sit and fold my arms, watch his children killing each other, turning his house to a war zone. Your late father was a very good person, and that would not happen while I am on this throne.
Igwe, please, personally, I'm not in the mood for this sermon. I'm not in the mood for this ogonoga akako. Igwe, go straight to the point. I don't know the nonsense you're talking. Because go straight to the point. Let's know why.
Are you out of your mind?
If you ask me that useless question, I will slap you. Don't ever interfere in my discussion again.
Will you shut up back and get him out? Don't you know in the presence of whom you are? Igwe, please forgive her manners.
I will ignore her. Young lady, I've heard of how you live a wayward life. How you want to turn yourself to a man. But I will not allow that happen. I'm aware that our late brother fell in his parenting. But you've met your match. I will not allow you to do that. I will bend you for your late father.
Igwe, I know your plan. When you started that I knew you are not a nice person at all. You, this useless boy, and this Efulefu uncle have collided to take what is due me because I'm a woman. Igwe, it will not work. Makachima basa through to God. Oma work Igwe. You push, you better give me what is due me. Else. Oh God.
As a matter of fact, I have rendered that will null and void. It will not happen while I'm here. Not in my watch.
Igwe, it will happen, oh. Makachi, it will happen. This arrant nonsense you're saying will not even happen at all. Which one is inherit? Did my father not will something to him? My father knew that this boy is a useless boy. He knows how mean and wicked you are. That's why he willed something for me and willed for my sister too. Makara pogi liko siya greedy idiot. Igwe, unu ye nyemo okem guy. Iye nyemo okem. Asa soka tenza anye eburu nketa. Mu ebu fugo nketa oga. Make una give me my father's will must be implemented.
Okay, since you have the effrontery to point your dirty fingers at Igwe, I will teach you a lesson.
Guards! Igwe! Yeah! Igwe!
Please.
Igwe!
Uncle, you need to do something though. I can't leave this village without my sister. We came here together. We must live together. I can't leave my sister here.
Were you not there when she was talking so rudely to the traditional ruler of this kingdom? Eh?
I know.
Who does she think she is?
Uncle, I know she was wrong, but I was thinking the Igwe would just ignore her, seeing that she was fighting for her rights.
What stupid right are you talking about? The Igwe has not even started talking about the will and she started showing herself.
Uncle, please, you need to do something. I can't live here without my sister. Oh, you need to do something.
Of course. We are going to go with her. Igwe wanted to teach her a little lesson. Don't bother yourself. Igwe, please, I'm begging on her behalf. Her younger sister is in my house. And she has been crying since. Saying that she's not living without her sister. I know that Jambike deserves even worse than this. But please, for the sake of her sister, forgive her.
I had wanted her to sleep in that cell this night. But since you've solicited for her, I will let her go. But with strict warnings, I don't want to set my eyes on her anywhere around this palace again. And one more thing, on no account will you allow that lawyer to implement that fake will. And you can see that from all indications, even in her character, you can see that our suspicion is right.
Igwe, I'm speechless. I'm speechless.
I would have loved to see that her power today. But it is well.
Igwe, thank you so much for forgiving her.
You're welcome.
Welcome back, my love. How was it?
Don't mind the stupid girl. She went there to mess herself up and the king decided to deal with her.
That's what she deserves
As
now.
I speak to you, she has been detained at the village vigilante cell.
Perfect!
I equally heard that the king wants her to sleep, overnight there.
Gini ka na cousin now? Huh? That's what she deserves anyway.
That's it. That girl wanted to flex muscle with our king. The king of our land. Sometimes I wonder where she get this morale, the audacity, the temerity to speak before the king, saying that the king is talking nonsense, rubbish.
That's good.
Yeah.
So what did Igwe say about the will?
Well, the king declared the will null and void. Because this is our tradition. It is unheard of that a woman will inherit her father's properties and leave the son empty-handed. This is Igbo land. We don't do it.
I beg. It doesn't even make sense.
I know.
That means we're on a winning side, though.
Exactly. Yes.
This calls for celebration.
Oh, please, before that, get me my food, please.
I will.
That king has no reason to order a dead man's will. What are you even telling me about? He's a dead man. He took his time to make it. What are you even telling me? He has no right. Where is he done? The way your father took his time to write. He woke up one day and decided to... Wow. From what I'm seeing, I think that man is just trying to use his power as the traditional ruler to trample on your right. If I were to be you, I would have sued him to court. Get nonsense, Ibifa.
My problem with you on this issue is you're not seeing the right picture at all. You're just seeing from one angle.
Which angle? Which other angle should I see? Or same angle? I'm talking and you're talking about angle. Angle 90, ko? The important thing here is the will. Nothing should happen to that will. Nobody should... I'm on your side, though. This is your right. Nobody has the right to alter what has been written.
Wait, let me ask you. Are you saying My brother's anger is not justified.
If your brother wants to be angry, he should be angry for goodness sake. What are you telling me here? Does he want to change the unchangeable? Nobody does that. See, if he wants to be angry, he should be angry. Nobody should tamper with the will. The will is the most important here. Nobody should change it.
See, please. Can we change this topic? Because you are getting me really
Whatever
upset.
you want, Jare, whatever you like, do.
Oh, really?
And where do you think you're going to? Nenya? Can you imagine? You're walking out on me? This is your will. Hold it tight. Did they say you can? You're playing with everything.
It's obvious you've refused to enforce my father's will. You refused to implement it and hand the deeds of my properties to me. But you have to do it right away. Let me have the deeds of the properties assigned to me.
Everything has due process. And it behoves on me to do my job diligently, following due process.
Meaning?
Meaning that your late father made your uncle a witness to the will. What you are asking for cannot be given to you except in the presence of every member of the family, especially your uncle.
That's funny. It's obvious you, my wicked brother, and my useless uncle have planned to deprive my sister and I what is due us because we are women. But let me warn you, I am a man in a woman's body. No man, no woman on earth will take what is due me. Forget side the craze. I know my right. You see, for this useless act of yours, you won't go scot-free. I don't even know how you got a certificate to be a lawyer. I will sue your stupid ass. You will hear from my lawyer. But if you him, before you do.
The late thief actually saw tomorrow. He actually did. Chief, I was just coming from the court. I decided to stop by and check up on you. I'll be leaving now.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you, Barrister.
Chief, the truth is that we are no longer customer and clients now. We are family now.
That's true.
Yes.
Right.
Just stay strong.
Thank you, Barrister.
All right, bye.
Goodbye, Barrister. Barrister, please. On no account should you implement or enforce the will at the absence of my younger brother. Everything must be done in his presence. He must be there when you will hand over the documents to the rightful owners as I stipulated it in the will. Is that okay?
Chief, actually, it is my duty to protect and enforce your will. I will keep up to my duty, Chief. I will do exactly what you say.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
My younger brother should be
Bye.
there.
Be strong. He knew that a day like this would come. Yeah, he knew.
Hello, barrister.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Damien.
Oh, good morning to you. How is your family and work?
Family is good. Work is great. How are you and your family?
We bless God, we bless God.
Okay, Mr. Damien, I called in respect of your late brother's will. You are the one who is stopping the enforcement of that will. That will ought to have been enforced by now. I wouldn't want to be seen as non-efficient in my work.
Barrister, please, give me 48 hours and I will sort everything out. It's a promise.
48 hours?
Yes, 48 hours and I will sort everything out, please.
Okay then, 48 hours.
Well, thank you very much.
Family war, family of war. Who will win at last? Ayaga tapisi madu. Family of war. One neck
Babe, I'm suggesting you go meet the lawyer and collect the deed of property from him. My spirit is telling me your sister is up to something.
I know the family lawyer very well. He won't try such. But he's not mad. He won't try such.
I don't know why you feel so convinced that something can never go wrong. You need to do something before your sister lures him into doing something else. So please. Ha.
I know him very well. He will never listen to me. Please, allow the Igwe and my uncle to do the needful. Let them do it their own way. Is the property more important to you than they are to me?
Okay, I'm just saying.
No more peace, no more peace, no more love at all.
I swear, like as I did like this, that's why you understand. Like, my head won't burst. Which kind nonsense, which kind of pattern be this way they yarn for me? It don't make sense. You know just they make sense to me. Baller like me, I tell you that to my can. I no go take am.
As they yarn this thing, they make me the para. They pay me. Like I don't understand. How person papa go share property before he buy, and that person go say no be so. You know what like that?
Now that matter be the matter where they bust my brain. And that thing they bust my brain. Now make I say we need to find way. We got to find way. Solution gas day.
Yeah, me here. As you dey yarn this thing way they yarn, my brain they bust. But you know what I want to ask you here? I been say you don't engage the services of another lawyer where go sue down a stupid family lawyer.
No be lawyer matter. No be see make I yarn you the opata. You see that our stupid ego and that our useless nonsense uncle. And then they ginger this whole thing where my brother did do. So I want how we go take arrange them, command them for the road.
Jamie, calm down. I get plan. I get better plan.
Yarn me now, no time. Who got the wrong?
You know, say the talk say, if you loud word, the word go hear am. This plan I won't tell you. I just me.
We are good me now.
Family war, family of war. Who will win at last?
Case closed. You see this thing when you talk like this, you don't give me morale. I don't they know say you chop knock too much.
Your Highness, our people said when you beat a child with left hand, then you draw him back with your right hand. That's a jacket with what I hear. That is true. I'm apologizing on behalf of my niece. Please forgive her. Let us not further delay the sharing of these properties. Let us do the needful so that every one of them will be happy. Please.
Damian, it is okay. Stand up. Stand up. Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness. It will not do me any good if I deprive the girls their father's wealth. Let the gods judge me if I have such intentions. All I wanted to do was to share the properties so that no one will feel cheated. The way our late brother shared that in his will, if at all he is the one that shared it that way, it did not favor his son at all.
As if he had an unsettled quarrel with his father before he died.
Well, our people used to say that it is not only the dead that the neck is being adjusted. It also applies to the living.
Your Highness, should I call them for another meeting so that you will share it to them as you just said?
I don't want to set my eyes on that girl anymore. Not even anywhere in this palace. Your Highness. The whole thing is simple. Go and tell Philemon that I said he should make cash equivalent of those properties. Give to the girls to establish themselves. By that way, they can also enjoy their father's wealth. And his son will inherit what is due to him.
Igwe, your wisdom is out of this world.
Uncle, so that is what I intend to do. Although I've already convened meeting and asked both of them to present me business proposal so I can sponsor it. It's not until I heard from Jamike about father's will.
See, what you have to do is to find a rector. Let them evaluate the cost of the properties. Give them something relative.
Uncle, I understand.
All right. Have to go to the family house and tell them this development before going back to the village.
That is nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Uncle.
Uncle,
wait. Let me take this for your transport and stuff.
Thank you very much. Oh, my son. Thank you so much. God bless you. Where is she now? Didn't you tell her that I will be traveling to the village from here?
Uncle, but you don't have to be in a hurry now. This is your house. You can spend the night here.
No. I have an important meeting to attend to this evening, so I must go.
Okay, let me go and call her again. But Uncle, you have to eat before going now.
Oh, no problem. I ate from your brother's house.
But the chef is already preparing your favorite soup.
Okay, that's not be a problem. That will not be a problem. And you have to put it in the food flask. Then when I go to home,
okay,
that's
fine. Let me just go and call her.
Okay. Hey.
I don't tell you, say, I don't want to see that's your useless evil uncle. I tell you, I don't tell you. I don't want to see him. I don't want to see that evil uncle of yours. I'm not interested. You disturb my life.
Me, evil?
Yes, you dey evil. Uncle, you dey evil. You get what even past evil where you dey, where I never find out. You think I don't know your plan? Oh, you think I will allow you and that stupid, selfish, good for nothing Igwe to colobi my inheritance and give it to Philemon? Hey, when I dey joke. Instead of that to happen on Kwarorana, I will kill Philemon, kill Igwe and go to jail.
Why not hear me?
Hey, hold it. I don't want to hear any nonsense that is coming out from that gutter you come out.
Stop. You don't even know what he wants
to say. Or the can get Gunyega Kanaya, ko Jesuga, or the Kinapuala. I never warn you. Say anytime when you see me, they talk to mad people like this, where you know they put your mouth. No be what I tell you. Biao Kenyaro, if you try me, mega idiots.
Jamie. It's okay.
No! You cannot change completely a dead man's will. That will be seen as incompetence on my part. I will never be a party to that.
Barrister, you have to listen to me this
There's
time.
nothing to listen to in this case. The dead man wrote his will. He only made you a witness to the will. Your job is to make sure that the will is implemented to the last letter, not to change it.
My brother knew it was not right. He wanted me to be a witness in case his son refuses the will, so that I can make it right on his behalf. That was why he insisted that I must be there before you read the will.
You are lying. And you know it right inside of you that you are lying to me right here.
Barrister, if I am lying, why did he insist that I must be present before you read the will?
Isn't it obvious? He already knew that his son would not accept the sharing of the properties by the will. So he wanted you to be there to enforce it.
We are saying the same thing.
We are not saying the same thing. We are saying two different things here. I'm going to call Jamika right away. I'm going to give to her the property deeds belonging to her according to the sharing of the properties in the will.
Barrister, don't try it. Don't try such a thing.
Then let's go and complete the reading of the will. I want to complete everything about this will and hands off.
Barrister, if your plan is to scatter my late brother's family, it will not work for you. Because the will has been overtaken by the superior family decisions.
Superheaded by who exactly?
By our king, the great monarch of our ancient kingdom, for whose words my brother couldn't have said no if he was alive. Barrister, I'm advising you, don't start what you cannot finish. I'm going.
One big family is now at war. Ogini nese ekwensu jiribata. Okwebele papa belu chukwu weza. Don't allow them to use you.
What in God's name do we call this? What kind of temptation is this? If I had known that this would unfold, I would have finished the reading of the will that same day, even in Philemon's absence. I would have given the girls their own share of the property deeds and waited for him to come for his own share anytime he was ready for it. What am I going to do now? If I call this girl to give her the property documents belonging to her according to the will, this man will use it against me. That there was no formal reading of the will and I went behind to dispose the property documents.
Why would my brother decide to leave our tradition for another man's tradition? Who bewitched you, Dike, my brother? Didn't our father leave almost everything for you and gave me just a little portion? How many lands
did he give to our sisters? How many? Why did you leave the way of your father and your forefathers to follow a strange man's way? Now, look at the mess you have created for us, the living. How are we going to handle this situation now? How? Kedu ka anyị ga-esi kwa nwaanyị ukwu gbara?
I called you here so we can talk man to man.
All right.
You see, I served your father almost all my life as a legal practitioner. I was faithful and loyal, to say the least, to him. He trusted me so much. That was why he entrusted his landed properties to me. Don't you think your father will be regarded as a foolish man for trusting and believing a fraud and a thief?
All right.
What I presented to you the last time was your late father's will. I didn't alter the will. I mean, I don't have any reason to. Why will I do that? If there's anyone I hate so much in your family, it's Jamike. Everything about her detests me. I hate her. So why would I alter the will to her favor? Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense.
Barrister, where are you driving at?
Can we respect your late father's wish as documented in his will?
No. That will not happen, Barrister. My father inherited his late father's properties as his first son. None was given to his sisters. Just little was apportioned to his younger brother, my uncle. Why would he want to change the whole thing in my own time? Barrister, I will not be part of the will that will strip me of my own God-given inheritance. No, not in my lifetime.
So, what do you suggest I do now? Betray your late father's trust on me?
The Igwe came up with a very good idea. And that is for me to, from the family business, I should settle each and every one of the girls with a huge sum of money. That is money equivalent to the properties. They can go and buy it somewhere else, squander their money, that's their problem. But please, they should leave, especially Jabike, should leave my father's properties to me. It is my inheritance.
Okay, in that case, I will come and complete the reading of the will. Hand over the property deeds to the girls. Then, let them on their own accord hand over the property deeds to you for the money equivalent. Let me be sure that I have hands off from your family.
Barrister, you don't understand. You and I know that once the document is given to Jamike, she will sell it off immediately, even below cost price. And I will not allow that to happen.
The same way I will not allow your late father's will to be tampered.
Can you imagine what that idiot that calls himself a lawyer said to me?
Phil, can you just calm down? You know you're driving. Okay? Just calm down. I'm listening.
He said he will hand over the property document belonging to the girls to them. After which I will then collect it and give them money equivalent.
Who does that? That's senseless, you know.
I don't know. He's an Igbo man. Do you understand me? He knows what is good and what is not obtainable.
Well, I don't totally blame him. He's trying to protect his office. But that will not be to our own detriment. So what do you intend to do now?
Well, I'm driving right now to the village. When I get there, I will consult with my Igwe and also my uncle to know the next line of action.
Okay, that's fine. But can you just concentrate on your driving? Please, you know you have me here and our 2 lovely kids at the boarding school. So please, just focus and drive safely, okay? I love you.
It's okay. I love you so much, baby. I will see you when I come back.
Take care.
He says so?
Yes, he said so. As I speak to you, I am sure he's planning to hand over all the property documents to her. We need to act fast or we lose everything.
What exactly do you want me to do?
I want us to speak with the Igwe. Let him release the vigilante boys to come with us to the city so we can go to the lawyer's office and collect all the documents from him.
One big family is now at war.
Are you sure that Igwe will accept that?
We must try.
Don't allow devil to use you. Family war, family of war.
That will be taking laws into our hands. I won't be part of it. Whatever we're going to do must be by dialogue and not violence.
But the young lady does not need dialogue.
That's fine. I will handle it myself. Get me the lawyer's number. Let me call him. I hope he's an Igbo man.
It's Botenwa Igbo. He's from Anambra State here.
That is right. So leave that for me, okay? If you have his number, give it to me.
Igwe, please. Whatever you have to do it now. Right now. Because today, tomorrow, the lawyer might give the documents to Jamike. My sisters. I'm telling you, because I'm sensing that lawyer is acting under pressure.
Pressure from Jamiko, of course.
Exactly.
Give me his number.
War fight, no more peace again, no more love again. Nobody wants to hear what the other is saying. Anger and trouble and taking control. This is family war, family of war, family of war. Who we win? I got family of war. One make more. Who we win at the war. If you go, if you no baba kaya. You went so no more peace at all.
Hello, this is Barrister Emeka on the line. How may I be of service to you? Who? Good afternoon, Your Highness. I'm doing great, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I won't, sir. Today I won't work, sir, because I'll soon be on my way to the court. Tomorrow, sir, I promise you tomorrow I must definitely be there. Yes, sir. No, I won't, sir. I won't. Okay, sir.
What did the king finally say?
Well, he said he won't support us using violence to get the documents. That he will call the lawyer by himself. And right in our presence, he called the lawyer and they booked an appointment tomorrow at the palace.
Okay. But do you think the lawyer will agree?
Well, tomorrow is here. Let's wait.
I guess at this point you should be making a plan B, in case the lawyer says no to the king.
First of all, I must commend you for being a gentleman by honoring my invitation. You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Are you an Igbo man?
Of course I am. I am from Anambra State here.
You will believe with me that we Igbos have our culture and our belief system, which makes us unique. So permit me to ask,
Go ahead, Your Highness.
do women share properties with men in your place?
Your Highness, if I pretend that I do not know where this question is coming from, then I will be a liar. You see, Your Highness, I was...
Go ahead and answer your call.
Okay, thank you, Your Highness. Hello? Yes? This is the barrister. Yes? Yes, it's the barrister. Who are you? Huh? That's my wife's voice. And my son. Okay, please, just don't do anything to them, please. Okay. Yes. Yes, right away. Please, don't harm them, please. Hey!
What is it, Ogeni?
This same issue, Jamike Ajanamike. My wife and my son have just been kidnapped. Hey!
This prodigal daughter, this daughter of Jezebel.
Igwe, please, I have to be on my way now, please. Hey!
What is happening? What is this?
Hey! Hello, sir. Sir? Yes, sir. I'm listening very, very attentively, sir. Sir? No, I'm already at the place. Once you drop this call now, I will get the documents and start coming. Even if you want me to get you all the property deeds, all of them, I'll just get all of them come. Just do with it whatever you want. Okay, sir. Just our own. Okay, sir. I'll bring it. Eh? Police? Am I mad? No. Ha! How can I be police? Ha! I beg, don't harm them. I beg, they are the only thing I have in this world. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I said I'm bringing them. I'm bringing them like this. Okay, I'll be waiting for your call. Okay, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Where are you now? Where is this? Hello? Sir? Sir, I'll be here since so. I'll be here. No. I came alone. I didn't come with anybody. I came alone. Yes. Yes, the genuine one. I came with it. Genuine. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm waiting. Hey, God. God, oh, I commit my wife and my son into your hand. Please, God, let nothing happen to my family. You know, they are the only thing I have in this world. Please, save them. Save my wife and my son for me. Please come now. Sir? Sir? Are you the one I'm waiting for? Yes. It's me. Hand over the documents. Yes. What about my wife and my son? Shut up! Sorry. I said shut up! How dare you? No. How dare you challenge me? No, I don't dare. I don't challenge. No. Sorry, sir. I was just asking a question. Sorry, I can't challenge you. Good. I just want to know.
You only see your family when I have confirmed that these documents are genuine and complete.
But you can confirm it now. Confirm it now.
You have to tell me. I'll find out myself.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Fine. I have to leave now. Don't make any smart move. You have to sit your ass down here till I have left. If you make any move, trust me.
Sir.
Be there.
I won't move.
I have my men all over everywhere. If you make any smart move,
No, sir.
I'll bless your head!
See, have you the documents with this?
I will tell you.
They won't try me.
They bought them.
How do you this why I don't collect?
Ah, God. Come on. We too much. I said we too much.
Now make una be my cartel. Now make you una be member. Una too sabi.
I believe you die. I believe you.
I go collect a nice.
Like this, my heart just relax on top jaw.
See, anything we would do here na preamble. We go put body for club. We party hard. We party. See, we dey put body for club this night.
I got a club now.
I am everywhere.
I full ground. Like this, I want high, I want jogodo.
Okay, man.
Enough things.
Okay, man, we go maka.
Okay,
man.
I thought your uncle was supposed to call you today and give you feedback on how the meeting went with the king and the lawyer.
Yes, I've been waiting for his call. Does it mean that the meeting didn't hold again?
I don't know.
Let me even call him. Hello, Uncle. Good evening, sir. I am fine. How about you? I've I've been waiting for you to call me about the outcome of the meeting. Didn't it hold? Kidnapped?
Kidnapped?
Jesus. Jesus, how? Hey. Okay, I've heard you. Alright, good night, sir.
Who was kidnapped?
Jamike kidnapped the lawyer's wife and son.
It's a lie.
Yes, he got a call and he took off.
Hey!
Wait, oh. Let it not be that he has handed over the documents to her.
Hi.
Ha! Let me call the lawyer.
No. I think we have to leave it tomorrow morning. It's already late. You go and see him in the office. Tomorrow morning is better.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's better that way.
Hi.
Look at the time now. It's already late.
Are you sure?
That's the best thing for us to do.
Hi. My inheritance. Jamike Bokwanubo.
My
inheritance.
Eh?
My inheritance!
And when he gave me, relax now, sweetheart. Nothing is going to happen.
I should not call him this night.
Don't worry. Relax. Just relax.
My inheritance. Barrister, I am truly sorry you had to go through that.
Well, it's an experience I wouldn't want to wish even my enemy. Well, I've learned my lessons. Next time I will have to discharge my duties without any sort of sentimental attachment. That is it.
But are you sure those kidnappers were sent by my own sister Jamike?
What do you mean am I sure? Who else would have demanded for her share of the property deeds according to the will as a ransom? Who else?
I hope you didn't fall for her.
Are you joking? You mean I would have gambled with the life of my son and my wife? The only thing I have in this world?
Don't tell me you handed the documents to her.
Wait! Were you expecting me to risk the life of my wife and my son?
Are you serious right now? You handed the documents to my sister Jamike? No! Hey!
Your own share of the property deeds are here. Whenever you have time, come and collect your own. Imagine.
I will not get that document. I will commit murder and someone will go to jail.
You must come back with that document though. Don't fail to.
Stay clear.
What does she even think she is?
are not my sister. You are a deadly woman, but I will tell you that I'm more deadlier than you.
Bros, you won't shoot Bola. You won't kill Bola. Like, okay. What do you want? What do you want?
You know what I want. Go in there and hand them over to me now.
What is happening here?
Shut up. Hey, shh.
Okay, I will bring it. I'll go.
I'll be right behind you. Move.
Has he got it? I'll go. Calm down now. They go so shoot.
Move.
Hey.
Move! Now! Don't mess with me.
Calm down now. You know I'm your sister. Say for that same mother now, okay?
Move!
Move! I will go. I will go.
Upstairs!
What I did to a sister. Why did you do this to your family? Mommy, where are you? The children are killing themselves because of the inheritance.
I'm here for jobs! Huh? I am not here for jobs, right? Sunday! Open the gate!
Yes, sir.
Family war, family of war. Who will win at last? Ayaga tapisi madu. Family of war. One day come on. Who will win at last? If you go, you fail. Chokono baba kaya. You went so beratinye oba. No more peace at all. No more peace, no more love at all. Anyambiri chigobi mo. No more peace, no more peace, no more love at all. Anyambiri chigobi mo. Family war, family of war. Who will win at last? Ayaga tapisi madu. Family of war. One day come on. Who will win at last? If you go, you fail. You chokono baba kaya. You went so beratinye oba. No more peace at all. No more peace, no more love at all. Anyambiri chigobi mo. No more peace, no more peace, no more love at all. Anyambiri chigobi mo. He went on no man, but you go be war fight. Guinea Ghana so.
Henceforth, do not open this gate for my sisters. Let me make myself clear.
Yes, sir.
Anybody, strange face, any strange car you see, call me. Take permission from me before you open that damn gate, whether night or day. Any day you flaunt this order, I will not only sack you, but I will kill you with this gun.
Yes, sir.
Go back to your post.
Are you back?
Do I look like a joke when I told you I was leaving?
And you came back with the documents?
Woo! Yes, so I know the man I'm married. You don't go for another himself. I wonder how he got there without
Oh my God, what is this? Oh, this, what is this, Father? Father, where are you? Mommy, where are you? Father, what have you done? What have you done to your family? What have you done? Why did you leave us? Why did you leave us? Instead of keeping up with your legacy, your children are here fighting themselves. They have turned to perpetual enemies. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. Is this how I'm going to survive? Oh, God, is this how I'm going to survive?
This thing a fuck up. I think I fuck up with this now. Now big time fuck up. After everything we did to get those documents, we can fuck up with this now.
Nah, Makatuku, this one pay me reach my bone marrow. Guy.
See as I dey like this, something no dey just dey make sense. I just dey confused. I no understand how my own blood brother wey suckle breast give me go wan kpai me because of property after they go say na earthly things. Na because of that thing he wan kpai me, carry go put for my like I no believe am. I been think say na telemundo. Before I come see say na reality, I say shoo, you wan kill me. I no go take this thing, no guy. I no go take am. I no go dey inside water make soap go enter my eye. That one no go make sense.
Like this now, now war in don set like this. Total war. Like it don't blow war like this. I'm gonna start. And I'm ready for any kind of war wey they want to.
You see as I dey, get wetin I be don promise myself. I say no matter how I be baller rich, I no go shed blood. I no go kpai person. Na wetin I just talk, I say I go just dey live soft life, dey go, dey ball based on who I be. But to keep person, I no go keep kpai person. But you see this thing when my brother do wey carry gun dey point me. That thing you don't make me, I don't change my mind. Because I no go sit down make they kpai me now. Do you understand? So as I dey like this, I no care. Any person wey stand for road, I go clear am, dey waka dey go. So make we find way, guy.
Just give us permission. Just say, oh yeah, go ahead. You go see play. Just give us permission. Now wetin I just want here. We don't move.
See, may I give una the one testament, One commandment wey I wan give una be say any person, man, woman wey try come stand my way. I no care wetin connect us, whether water, whether blood, make una waste am. Make una just kpai the person immediately. Before they kpai me.
You don't be as you talk am. Say no more. Say no more.
Open this gate. Open the gate.
Ah, madam, now you? Yes, madam, no verse. Oga say make I no open gate for any of you.
Few months say she not open gate for me.
Yes, madam. Oga say if I open gate for you, he go shoot me with gun.
Are you serious?
Yes, madam.
Wait. Has it gotten to this extent that few months will say she not open the gate for me?
Madam.
Is it inside?
Yes, madam. It's inside.
Let me just call him first. He said they should not open the gate for me. He's not picking his calls. Are you serious? Hey, God, what is all this now? How can my brother say they should not open gate for me? How? How can you say I should not? How can you say they should not let me in now? What is this now? What is all this now? Hey, God. I do not. God, he doesn't even know why I want to see him. Baby, please now. Why have you not been taking my call? You know what I'm going through now. You're still doing this to me.
Oh, you think you can insult me and apologize at will and expect me to forgive you?
Maybe I'm sorry. Baby, please. But you know you're the one being unreasonable here.
Did you just say unreasonable? You've been the one being unreasonable here. How can you accept to do away with your father's will? Simply because your brother is not happy with it. Who does that?
Baby, please. Can we just go on with our relationship without this will? Let's just go on and forget this will, please.
We should go on with what? Relationship and no will. There is no relationship without the will now. See the will, see the relationship. They work hand in hand. My hard work for years. You just wake up one day and you decided, no now. As long as there is no will, I have to, no, I can't do this.
I don't understand.
I can't do this anymore.
I don't understand. Make me understand, please. Please, let me just understand. Is our relationship centered on the will?
Yes! The will is our relationship. As long as the will is out of it, in the same way, I am out of here. Okay? Just go, live your life. Do whatever you want to do with your father's will. Let me go and live my life. Can you bambo? Or give me this.
So it's all about my father's wealth. I can't believe this. So it's all about my father's wealth. Oh God. God, how do I survive this? I love him so much, even though he never loved me. It was all about my father's wealth all along. The worst part of it is that I've built my whole world around him. God, I can't survive this. Oh, I can't survive this. I can't survive this.
God, please help us. God, please help.
Naya, what is the problem? Why are you crying? Waiting there so. Waiting be the problem now. Why is it?
Why are both of you bent on breaking my heart? Why our parents are no more? The only people I can call family are they fighting themselves like enemies. Why
What is wealth? What is money and properties that you people cannot let go?
So wait first. So this is the reason you are crying? Eh?
My heart bleeds. Each time I see you people talk to yourself as if people are enemies.
My dear, I'm not fighting anybody. I'm only fighting for my rights that my father willed to me.
Okay, well, let me ask you. This property you're fighting for now, will you take them to your husband's house?
I've told you severally that everybody must not marry. I must not get married.
Even if you don't want to get married, if you leave this world, who will you leave these properties for? Don't you know you will leave this world one day?
Ojugo, him, if he leave this world, who is he going to leave it for? I'm asking you. Let me hold it and enjoy it when I will now leave the world. That should be when I get old though, because I will age gracefully. All these things you are doing, if you are crying because I'm fighting my rights or looking for my own rights, in a book I can get back.
Please give this property for him, please.
As what? Because I'm a woman. Oh, will he treat me? Would he have acted the way he's acting if I was a man? It was in your presence that he almost shot me dead. Did you not see him point that gun at me? What did you do? See, China, let me tell you something. You see, it cannot bear anything. It cannot be the baby when you have not started. If not this thing they make you cry, you better begin shout tiwembu, because I must collect my rights. Raise your voice. You go they roll everywhere and then happen academy many emotion. Oh yeah, get our room one.
Chimyera Obitaro for the mirror. Chimyera Obitaro for the mirror.
Oh God, I'm just tired of all this. I'm tired. The only people I call family fighting over properties. They've become enemies, fighting themselves because of properties. I don't even know how our parents will be feeling right now wherever they are. They're fighting over properties, forgetting that my father's legacy is more important than his property.
My daughter, it's okay. Stop crying. You cannot cry your soul out.
Oh, I can't stop crying, Uncle. I can't stop crying. The pain is too much for me to bear. I can't stop crying.
I know how you feel. I will come to the city tomorrow and settle this once and for all. It's a promise. So stop crying. Oh? Stop crying.
Toka. What a bullshit! When you make a thing here, maybe you wow, one more. If you spoil this word, you must pay me money. You dey mad. Word where they sweet like sugar. But I got land, it's nothing they soft. I didn't get. But I see you. Okay. Hey, Mugu! Why they look me like that? Can't feel anything. I got land. Nothing they happen.
Sister, you're back.
Okay,
I actually wanted to discuss something.
See. This discussion, if not about my inheritance, you no go work. As a matter of fact, I no won't hear anything wey concern my inheritance because you see that my inheritance, I don't get am finish. Come they talk how they get a mabas. Makachi. Don't want to discuss anything, I beg. You see, that's your brother. That's your brother. Feel more. Now wicked. See. You know, as you dey like this, I love you. You be my sister. We be say, I hurt you. I know they like make you the verse, but you see this matter, come out mouth. My inheritance, I go get them. I go collect them now. I know be mugo. You Kelly time now. I know. Bad now.
Sister, it's not about it. I won't talk about it.
It's about getting again. It's about what?
Uncle Damien is coming tomorrow to have a meeting with us.
What did you say? I did not hear you. Say it again.
I said Uncle Damien is coming tomorrow morning to have a meeting with us.
I don't want to see those scavengers now and I can't even be in the same roof with them. And going forward, if I just meet Philemon anyway, is it that he kills me? Oh, personally, I will kill him. I don't care about anybody. But talking from my inheritance,
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you breaking my heart? What have I done to deserve this from my family and my parents? How will I survive this? No, I can't. No, I can't survive this. No.
Now you are here. I was even coming to ask you what to prepare since you see Uncle Damien is coming this morning. Madam, this one you are here. Hope all is well. Madam. 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 Madam.
Hey! Sunday! What be that? What be that? I don't know why this guy gonna shout my name like say person die. Even though say person die. Hey! Hey! Oh!
Meeting with talk, say wetin happen. Naya. Girl, stand up. Wetin happen? Naya, no dey act this thing where you dey act now. Stand up now, beg. I no get time for drama. Wetin you say? Nanya, beg, stand up now. Which kind of play be this way you dey play? You know they follow person they play expensive play, beg. You know they hear wetin I dey tell you. Nanya?
So many times I have attempted suicide. So many times a hope rises in me that the storm will be over someday. But as the day goes by, I found out that the hopes are false hopes. You and Brother Philemon are not about to forgive each other. Instead of waiting till you people kill each other, let me die first, because the pain is better imagined than experienced. I better watch you with mommy and daddy from the world beyond. After all, my 5 years relationship ended because of this same issue. I lost the man I loved so much. The man I hope to build a future with, all because of this same issue.
Don't do this thing to me.
It is nothing left for me to live for anymore.
Yeah, I won't even take my own brother. I can't do such. I was
Goodbye, Jamike.
I just wanted to get
love you so much.
Please don't do this to me. You know how much I love you this way. You know, I cannot intentionally do anything that wants you. I will come back.
God, please help us. God, please help.
Sweetheart, are you still sleeping?
No.
I thought you were supposed to have a meeting with your uncle today at the family house.
What's the time?
It's past 9.
Right, the distance from the village to this town by the time my uncle will get here. There's still time for me. So, are you done with the phone?
No, your sister wouldn't allow me. She's been calling non-stop.
You have picked the call. They are calling because of the meeting today.
I don't think so. She has been calling. It's not even Nenye, it's Jamike calling.
Jamike called my phone.
Yes.
When did that one start?
I don't know. She's calling again.
Don't know when this one started.
She's calling my own phone.
What kind of madness is this?
I don't know.
Pick it. Put it on loudspeaker.
Hello?
They call your husband, he's not taking my call. Neye is acting up, he just committed suicide now. Tell him to start coming to the house. I don't know what to do, Neye. Be like, say Neye no, she took poison. Let him go. Neye cannot die. She cannot die, you understand? Neye, you not gonna feel good now. How you gonna do me this? How you gonna do me?
Jesus.
But, sweetheart, where are you going now? Don't tell me you are falling for this.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
This girl is suspicious. She might have sent her boys out there and they are waiting for you.
But even at that, we have meeting today and I have to go.
You can't go for that meeting. Not at all. Please. I don't want you to go for the meeting anymore.
Do you want me to disrespect my uncle?
If that's what you have to do. At this point, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? You are not going anywhere.
Alright, let me call her here.
No. Wait. I feel more. See, no be time to quarrel with this. No be the time. I don't know what they do there. She don't die for years. She take poison, they come out. Now me they talk. They come out. God.
Hello?
I'm not convinced, though. Not at all. Call your uncle first, Phil. Call your uncle. Call your uncle now. Let's confirm first.
Alright, let me call uncle.
I beg you, so good they come, Abi. I didn't ready. We go to the meeting. I beg.
What is going on here? Jesus!
Uncle.
What are you doing? Let's take her to the hospital straight. She might still survive. What are you doing? Let's take her to the hospital.
Father, you don't do this to me.
Fremont! Go to the hospital straight!
Uncle, cut phone. Let's
listen.
Let's go. My sister cannot die like this, so you're going to go tomorrow. I'm going to take a video.
Hold her here. Hey, I'm finished too. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Where are you going now? Won't you brush your teeth? Not even a bath. Oh!
Please wake up, oh, my dearest sister. Don't do this to me, please. Don't break my heart.
I was confused. I wasn't thinking straight. The only thing that came to my mind was to call Brother Philmon, which I did immediately. He was not picking. I called the wife. I explained the situation to the wife. He still did not come. The next thing he started calling the next phone. I picked the phone. I told him the situation. I did not see him.
The doctor said, had it been that you brought her 30 minutes earlier, she wouldn't have died. What you would have done first was to bring her here.
I don't know. Huh? I don't know.
What you have done first is to bring her here. Where went her thinking?
No, don't do this to me. You know how much I love you. Uncle, please tell her to wake up now. Tell her to wake up. I don't know. I didn't do this to me.
What's going on here?
Fremont, nothing. Other than both of you have killed your sister in your quest for inheritance.
No.
Take it. No.
This was not the plan. This was not the plan.
Hey! Naya! Hey! Oh God! Hey! Naya, why now? Why?
What have I done? What have I done? What is this? What am I going to tell my mother? Ah, God. This one, no. If you had given me a hint of what you were about to do, Mother, I would have left the property for this beauty. Okay, we can not talk one. Okay, we can not. Okay, oh, please, I'm sorry. This was not the plan.
Nema, what is it? Why are you crying? Did anybody beat you?
I was playing ball inside our compound. The ball flew over. I went to bring it to Kebuka and his brother. beat me and collected my ball.
Wait. Do you mean that Chukwuebuka beat you?
With his brother.
Take this ice cream. I bought it for you. I'm coming right away. So this is true. You hit my sister and collected her ball. So give me that ball now. 1, 2.
It's our ball. We were playing it and it fell into your compound that day. Your daddy did not allow us to collect the ball. So we have taken our ball.
Liar. The ball that my mommy bought for me and my sister yesterday. You said it's your own. You are looking for my trouble. Hey.
So where is the ball that fell into your compound that day?
Chukwuebuka, give me that ball now, 1. Give me that ball now, 2. Give me that ball, 3. Give me that ball. Try it now. Nonsense, foolish boy.
Just because somebody has been collecting somebody's ball. No worry now, collect it back. No worry now. Collect the ball. I'll collect it back, don't worry. I'll beat your sister again and collect it back.
Now, here's your ball. Next time anyone's looking for your trouble, tell me. Whether boy or girl, I will beat the person. Take.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. I'm performing my duties as your elder sister. It is my duty to protect you.
Mommy, please.
Hey, you are playing with me. My friend, open your hand. Open your hands.
Please, I won't do it again.
You see this your tactics, eh? It's not going to work today. I say open your hand. Should I give it to you on your head?
Mommy, please, nah. She said she won't do it again.
And so what? That will not stop me from flogging her today. I must beat this girl.
Alright, flog me. I will take the punishment on her behalf. Please leave her and flog me.
Ask who? Her Messiah. Why would I flog you?
Is she not my younger sister? Can't I take bullets from my younger sister again?
Did you know how many strokes of the cane I want to give her?
Do you know the number? I'm ready to take it.
I'm going to flog you 36 strokes of this cane. Oh. Madam, Nenye, are you listening to me? See, just thank your stars. Your sister here has saved you today. But if you try that nonsense again with me, if you try that rubbish, you will see what I will do to you. And both of you, get out. Jamike and Chinenye, I love what just played out there a moment ago. The unity, the bond, the love between both of you. And I want you to continue like that. Do not allow any stranger to tear you apart. Jamike.
Yes, Mommy.
Nenyenwa here is your only sister. Fremont is a boy. He may not be there all the time. So both of you are always together. Please, always take good care of her. Protect her against any external forces.
Mommy, I promise you that I will always be my sister's keeper.
Very good. And Chinenyi, always respect her. Okay? She's the only sister you have. Let that love continue. Did you hear me?
Yes,
Very
Mommy.
good. Alright, go and do your assignment.
Okay, Mommy. Mama, take this.
Thank you.
Don't spoil it though. Do you hear me? I'm good.
Give me back. Give me back. I'll have that, sister.
Nama, why is your face like this?
Brother Phil took the kite from me.
He took the kite from you?
Yes.
Why now?
Nothing. He just took it and started playing with it.
Let's go. Why did you collect my sister's kite? Am I not talking to you? Why did you collect my sister's kite? Give me the kite. Now I take it.
Thank you. Is that why you pushed me? Eh? Eh?
What's happening here? Eh?
Mommy, the kite I gave to Neon, he collected it and started playing with it.
And so? What happened?
I came and was telling him he did not even talk to me.
Jamike, why did you push him? Why did you come to report to me? Eh? Have I not warned you several times to stop fighting like a boy? Eh? Why didn't you report to me?
Was the one that first looked for our trouble.
Philmond, they are your sisters. You are the boy here. You should be protecting them, not fighting them.
Every time she will be fighting me as if she's my mate.
How many times will I tell you that? Eh? Why will you be fighting your sisters? You should protect them against external forces, not fight them. See, if this repeats itself again,
You people will not like what I will do. Did you hear me? Okay. Is that clear? Yes, every time fight. What's all this? You, all of you. Did you hear what I said?
Yes. Please wait, just took this drastic decision. My dearest sister, don't do this to me.
Father,
please, don't break my
I am
heart.
sorry.
I was fighting.
I'm sorry I didn't keep to my promise.
If you leave me, I will
Thanks
die.
to you.
Philmond.
Father.
Place your hand on my forehead. Do it. You know, I have few more days to live. And I want you to know that you will be all that your sisters have when I'm gone. Their mother is no more. So, I want you to be both mother and father to them. I want you to promise me that you will protect your sisters after I might have left.
Father, but
Philmond, do what I ask you to do.
All right, Father. I promise you this day that I will protect my sisters with everything in me.
It's alright. It's okay. You have cried enough. And crying will not make any difference. What you have to do now is to learn from her death.
Babu kata ogbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba.
Eja na bisi je.
Eja na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Ọ bịara ije mụ na o.
Eja na bisi je.
Eja na o.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. O metere ya buru o.
O metere buru. O metere buru.
Onye metekwa ya buru nye ya ya egu na bo.
O metere buru.
Imetekwa gị bara nye gị ya kwana kwa bo.
O metere buru. O metere buru.
Back to sender. It's not a bad prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Ogeji ndụ ya wee tụọ ụtụọ. Ogeji isi ya wee nụzela ndụ.
troubles. But if you carry troubles come, you must collect. Not my blood. My head is bigger than your sacrifice. Not my head, yo. Ichukwale sofuma to PTAC. I got the one you jimba bandi mochi. The love say nochi now one the more bofu. Babu kata wachuba mwabelo wana ba. Hapu kwa me wachuba mwabelo wana ba. Ejana bisije. Ejana. Isi mama mtoka nezi. Obiali jamuna. Ejana bisije. Ejana. Isi mama mtoka nezi. Isi mama mtoka nezi.